It begins with a mistake. The 26th of September, 1983, 12:14 a.m. Moscow time, a Soviet satellite detects 5 incoming American ballistic missiles. An alert fires automatically. Lieutenant Colonel Stanislav Petrov has 4 minutes to report to command. His manual checks say it's a false alarm. He makes a decision that has no precedent. He calls it a glitch. He is right. 8 billion people are alive today because one man in one room chose to wait. But what if he didn't? Right now, on Earth, 9 countries hold 12,500 nuclear weapons. Armed, maintained, targeted, ready. Let's go through who has what. Russia, 5,580 warheads, the largest arsenal on Earth. Their flagship, the RS-28 Sarmat. NATO calls it Satan II. 1 missile, 10 independently targetable warheads. Range, any city on Earth. Russia also runs the Dead Hand system, an automated network that can launch a full retaliatory strike even if Russian leadership is already dead. A machine that starts nuclear war without a human decision. The United States' 5,044 warheads spread across 3 delivery systems called the Nuclear Triad. 400 land-based missiles in silos beneath Montana and Wyoming. 14 submarines, each carrying 20 missiles, each missile carrying 8 warheads. Right now, 4 of those subs are somewhere in the ocean. Nobody outside the US Navy knows exactly where. And B, 2 bombers flying 2 4-hour shifts, armed, in the air, right now. The logic, destroy 2 legs, the third still launches back. Mutual destruction guaranteed, by design. China, 500 warheads, growing. A decade ago, it was 200. By 2030, American intelligence estimates it could be 1,000. Their DF-41 missile reaches the United States in under 30 minutes. Launched from mobile trucks, hidden in forests nearly impossible to locate before launch. Pakistan and India, 170 and 164 warheads, respectively. Their missiles reach each other's capitals in 4 minutes, not 30. 4. There is no verification window in 4 minutes. No time to call a false alarm. North Korea, 50 warheads. Their leader has publicly stated he will use them if the regime is threatened. Israel, approximately 90. Never confirmed, never denied. Everyone knows. Total, 12,500 weapons, 6,600 megatons, 440,000 times. Hiroshima, 1 Hiroshima bomb killed 80,000 people instantly. Do the math. 2:17 a.m. A Russian satellite detects what its algorithm classifies as 5 incoming American missiles. The duty officer reports to command. He is not Stanislav Petrov. He does not wait. In Washington, U.S. early warning detects Russian launch signatures at the same moment. The president is notified. The hotlines ring. Nobody answers. Everyone is already talking to their generals. India detects launches in the northern hemisphere. Pakistan detects Indian aircraft scrambling near the border. Both countries decide, now or never. North Korea launches at South Korea, Japan, and 2 American Pacific bases. France and the UK launch independently. No one person started this. Everyone continued it. 2:25 a.m. first. Submarine-launched missiles reach coastal cities. 2:34 a.m. land-based ICBMs begin striking inland targets. 2:51 a.m. The last of the 12,500 weapons detonates. 47 minutes. The length of a Netflix episode. Start to finish. www.com/plus. 1 weapon, 1 city. What actually happens? The first thing a nuclear detonation produces is a flash of light, faster than your nervous system can process. If you're within 10 kilometers, you see nothing. The flash and the end are the same moment. Then the fireball, a sphere of plasma at 100 million degrees Celsius, 4 times hotter than the surface of the sun, within 2 kilometers of ground zero, vaporized, not burned. Gone from the physical record. Then, the shockwave. 1,000 kilometers per hour. A wall of compressed air that turns buildings into projectiles. Within 10 kilometers, total destruction. Within 40 kilometers, windows shatter, eardrums rupture. This is one weapon. Multiply it 12,500 times. Stack the blast radii on a world map. Every major city, every military base, 55% of humanity in the immediate kill zone, 4.4 billion people in 60 seconds. But the bombs aren't what end the world. When cities burn at nuclear temperatures, the smoke is black, dense, carbon-heavy, microscopic particles called black carbon soot. This smoke rises above the weather layer into the stratosphere, 15 kilometers above the surface, where there is no rain, where winds circle the planet continuously, where nothing that enters ever leaves. 150 million tons of black carbon, encircling the planet within weeks. Sunlight reaching the surface, reduced by 70%. Noon looks like deep twilight. Temperatures in the northern hemisphere drop 15 to 20 degrees Celsius. The global growing season collapses. Wheat, rice, corn, the three crops feeding 60% of humanity, gone in one season. The bombs kill 4 billion on day one. Nuclear famine kills another 3 to 4 billion in the years that follow. Not from radiation, not from fallout, from hunger. Carl Sagan calculated this in 1983. He called it nuclear winter. He presented it to the United States Senate. The warhead count went up. This almost happened. 3 times that we know of. 1,979. A training tape, accidentally loaded into the US early warning computer, showed a full Soviet nuclear attack. Launch crews went to their keys. Someone checked manually. It was a tape. 1,983. Stanislav Petrov. False alarm. He called it. He was right. 1,995. Russia detected a Norwegian scientific rocket as a possible American submarine launch. Boris Yeltsin's nuclear briefcase, the Chejit, was opened. Activated. He had 4 minutes to authorize a full retaliatory strike. He waited. The rocket turned north. It was measuring the aurora borealis. 3 times. That we know of. Right now, 12,500 nuclear weapons exist. Armed, maintained, targeted, ready. The system keeping them silent is called mutually assured destruction. It has worked. Calm. Mostly because of individual humans who in the middle of the night, under enormous pressure with alarms going off, chose to wait. Petrov, Arkhipov, Yeltsin. Names you were never taught in school. People who made individual decisions that kept 8 billion people alive. The difference between our world and the one we just walked through isn't strategy. It isn't policy. It isn't deterrence theory. It's individual people making individual decisions. That's either the most terrifying thing I've told you today, or the most hopeful. I'll let you decide which.